Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everything is well with you. As you can see from the title, yes, today we are going to cook for a client. So my client wanted some free fish, chicken and baked plantain. That's what we're gonna make today. So the fish, I already cleaned it with lemon, water, and for the dry spices or ingredient, I'm going to use nutmeg, hot paprika, garlic, chicken bouillon, white pepper, English mustard dry one, onion and paprika, normal paprika. And for the wet ingredient, I'm going to use fish sauce, oil, ginger and garlic paste and green seasoning paste. That's homemade paste seasoning. So in that bowl, I'm going to combine everything together, add some water, and I added Vegetta seasoning. So that I'm going to heat it in the microwave for 2 minutes and then let it sit to cool down before seasoning the fish. Make sure you combine everything really well, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight because that was the day before the cooking day. But if you want to cook it the same day, you can leave it for 30 to 1 hour. And for the chicken, I'm using chicken drumsticks. As you can see, I washed it with vinegar and tap water. I didn't put any seasoning in the chicken. And for the marinade, I'm going to use ginger and garlic paste, dry mustard, chicken bouillon, and oil. The next day I took the fish an hour before. Make sure your fish or your chicken or anything you're gonna use to room temperature before cooking it. If not, it's not gonna cook properly. And now I'm going to prepare my fish to go grill it in electric barbecue grill. On the grill, I'm going to put the remaining marinade on top. Not too much or it's gonna burn. While my fish is cooking, now I'm going to cut the plantain. You don't have to cut the same way I'm doing. You have your own style of cutting your plantain, but this one is one of the style I do cut my plantain. I'm going to season the plantain with salt and oil. Since I'm not going to fry the plantain, I'm going to grill it. So don't put too much oil because too much oil is gonna burn the plantain. And here, as you can see, I have a greased pepper on the tray, just placing the plantain and bake it in a high heat until golden brown. After a few minutes, I came to turn the fish over. I'm going to brush with oil mixed with water. And here you have it, guys. I hope you like the decoration of the food, as my client is coming really soon, so I'm just showing you what I did. I'm going to cover each container and labeled for him to know which one contains which food. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And I hope you liked it. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe. Bye.